Hi, I'm Adam Gadnis, and if you're watching this video, it's because you are enrolled in AP European History for the 2020-2021 academic year here at Plant High School. Today is August 10th, and to be frank, there's still a lot of uncertainty about how exactly this year is going to unfold, and I suspect we're all going to have to be flexible throughout the year. A couple of things I can say with some certainty is we'll be using AP Historical Thinking skills. Those are the same skills you may have used in AP World History and or AP US History if you've taken those courses before. Our course will begin around the year 1500 and largely focus on the Western world, or Europe, and all the places that it most highly influenced. And it's broken down into 9 units by the teachers and professors who created the course, working with the College Board. And then lastly, EDSB is on the way out, and there will be a new learning management software platform we'll be using called Canvas for AP European History. The AP Historical Thinking skills are developments and processes, identify and explain historical developments and processes, sourcing and situation, analyzing sourcing and situation of primary and secondary sources, claims and evidence in sources, analyze arguments in primary and secondary sources, contextualization, analyze the context of historical events, developments, or processes, making connections using historical reasoning processes, comparison, causation, continuity, and change, analyze patterns and connections between and among historical developments and processes, and finally, argumentation, or develop an argument. The chronological period of 1450 to 1648 will feature 2 units, Renaissance and Exploration and the Age of Reformation. 1648 to 1815 will have absolutism and constitutionalism, scientific, philosophical, and political developments, conflict, crisis, and reaction in the late 18th century. 1815 and 1914, industrialization and its effects, 19th century perspectives and political developments. And then the final period is 1914 to the present, and that has 2 units, 20th century global conflicts, Cold War, and contemporary Europe. As I mentioned earlier, EDSB is on the way out, so the new learning management software will be Canvas. Canvas is the place where you're going to go for the resources for the course, to message me, to get updates on your grades, and that sort of a thing, just like EDSB used to do. And a portal for students and parents and login information is going to come out very soon. In the meantime, before school starts and even after school starts, feel free to message me at any time at adam.gadnis@sdhc.k12.fl.us.